slow growth, shredding, or hair that never looks shiny even when you oil it? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to make a hibiscus hair growth oil that supports scalp health, helps reduce breakage, and add natural shine without heavy buildup. So we're going to use half cup of hibiscus powder, 2 tablespoons of amla powder, 3 bay leaves, and 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves. Stay until the end of this video because I'll show you exactly how to use this oil so it actually helps with length retention. Now we're going to add 1 cup of avocado oil, and then we're going to also add 1 cup of coconut oil. Some of the benefits of these ingredients: hibiscus, it helps to reduce shedding, it supports thicker looking hair, it adds a natural shine, it's rich in antioxidant that supports scalp health. Hibiscus helps to strengthen the hair and reduce shedding while adding shine. So now that we finish adding our oil, our herbs and our oils, we're going to do a double boiler method, or you can also do cold infusion, which one you think is best for you. So our oil is finished double boiling, and I won't be straining all of my oils today because I want to leave it to fully infuse. I want the herbs to infuse more into my oil, so I only strain out enough that I can get to use today because I need some hibiscus oil to use today. So I only strain out enough for a 50 ml bottle so that I can use it. Amla strengthens hair from root to end. It helps to reduce breakage, support length retention. Rosemary supports scalp circulation. It helps to stimulate the hair follicles. It's great for thin or slow growing hair. It helps to keep the scalp balanced. Bay leaves, it helps to reduce scalp buildup, support a healthy scalp environment, and it's traditionally used to support hair thickness. Coconut oil, it penetrates the hair shaft. It helps to reduce protein loss, adds softness and shine, strengthens weak strand. And also we'll be adding my lavender essential oil inside of this oil. Also you can add any oils of your choice that you know your hair likes, and you can also add any essential oil that you have. You can add the lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil, peppermint essential oil, rosemary essential oil. These essential oils are good to add in this hibiscus hair growth oil. And if you have vitamin E oil, you can also add some vitamin E oil in this oil, and it will help to extend the shelf life of this oil. So now that I finished straining my oil and everything, I add it over into my bottle. I add it in my amber bottle, and I just add my lavender essential oils inside of it. I add 8 drops of my lavender essential oils. You can add up to 20 drops of essential oils in the jar of oil, not this small bottle that I have. So now I'm just showing you how I apply my oil, the hibiscus oil, to my hair. I'm applying it all over my scalp, and then after I finish applying it all over my scalp, I'll be giving myself a good massage. So this oil can be used for hot oil treatment. It can also be used to seal in moisture in your hair, like after you finish moisturizing your hair. So I just speed up the video because I want to show you how I apply this oil to my hair. And now I'm giving myself a good scalp massage to ensure that I massage the oil into my hair, because that's the best way to apply oils. Using oil is powerful, but oil alone won't keep your hair moisturized. You'll need to follow up with a leave-in conditioner. So in the next video, I'll show you how I use my hibiscus conditioner I use with this oil to keep my hair soft, hydrated, and manageable between wash days. Click here to watch it next. See you in the next video.